Okay, number one. Number one says give your answers in mixed number. So how can you solve this problem? Number 1A. At first we have to write 35 divided by 30. This one is written in division form. So we have to rewrite this one into fraction. So it will be 35 by 30. Now we have to convert it into lowest term. How? We can divide both numerator and denominator by 5. So 5 7 are 35 and 5 6 are 30. Now we have to divide 7 by 6. Then we will finally get the mixed number. 6 1 just 6. So remainder is 1. So our final answer should be 1 over 1 by 6. This is the first answer of number 1. Now number 1B. 1B says 48 divided by 42. So at first we are converting this one into fraction form. Okay, we are rewriting this one. We can divide 48 and 42 both by 6. Okay, then 6 8 are 48 and 6 7 are 42. Then we are converting this 8 by 7 into mixed number. How? 7 into 7, remainder 1. So our final answer should be 1 whole 1 by 7. So at number 1A, answer is 1 whole 1 by 6. At number B, answer will be 1 whole 1 by 7. Okay, you have to write your answer in this way. Now, number 2. Number 2 says, simplify and convert it as mixed number if possible. So how can you solve it? Number 2A. Look, 15 whole 1 by 7 plus 2 whole 2 by 7 plus 3 whole 3 by 7. Okay. At first, we can add the whole number. So 15 plus 2 plus 3. If we add the whole number, we get 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. And if we add the fraction right now, 1 by 7 plus 2 by 7 plus 3 by 7, then what will we get? Look, we will get 7 is the denominator. Why? Because every fractions are like fractions. So here we'll take only the denominator 7. Then we'll add the numerator 1 plus 2 plus 3. What is 1 plus 2 plus 3? That will be 6. 6 by 7. Okay. So at answer we'll just add these two numbers. 20 whole 6 by 7 will be the final answer of 2A. Okay, very simple. Now number B. Number B is super easy. How can you solve it? Look, number B 16, 16, 16. Denominators are 16. So we can say these fractions are like fraction. So if we got the like fraction, then we have to only add the numerator. Okay. So 9 plus 5 plus 4, what will it be? 9 plus 5, that will be 14. 14 plus 4, that will be 18. 18 by 16. Now we can divide both numerator and denominator by 2. Then what will we get? 2 9s are 18 and 2 8s are 16. Now convert this 9 by 8 into mixed number. How? 8 1s are 8, remainder is 1. So our final answer should be 1 whole 1 by 8. Okay. So 2A answer is 20 whole 6 by 7. Number B answer will be 1 whole 1 by 8. Very simple. Now next one, number C. Number C says 7 whole 2 by 3 minus 2 whole 1 by 3. Look, how do you solve this problem? Very simple. At first, we have to subtract the whole number. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2, that will be 5. Okay. 7 minus 2, that will be 5. Then subtract the fraction. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Look, both fractions are like fraction. So we have to just subtract the numerator. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, that will be 1. 1 by 3. Now, if we add 5 and 1 by 3, then our final answer should be 5 whole 1 by 3. Very simple. Now number D. Number D is very important. This type of question can come at an exam. 3 by 5 minus 7 by 20. Look, both fraction are not like fraction because both has different denominator. So it will be better if we convert both denominator as same denominator. How? We can convert it by finding out the LCM of 5 and 20. So what will be the LCM of 5 and 20? This is very simple. That will be 20. That means we have to convert both denominator as 20. So how can we convert this 5 into 20? How can we convert? Very simple. We have to just multiply this one by 4. If we multiply this fraction by 4, 5 4 are 20. Look, our denominator is same right now. Then 4 3s are 12. So now these fractions are like fraction. Then how can we solve it? We can solve it by subtracting the numerator. So numerator is 12 minus 7, okay? And 12 minus 7, that will be 5. So 5 by 20. Now we have to convert it to lowest term by dividing both numerator and denominator by 5, okay? So 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. Now number E. Number E, 1 whole 4 by 5 minus 1 whole 1 by 10. Look at this. These fractions are not like fraction. They are different fraction. That means unlike fraction, different denominator. So how can we solve this problem? We can solve it in two different ways. I will show you two different methods. First of all, just convert the fraction. Just convert the fraction. So if you want to convert the fraction, look at this. That means we have to multiply the denominator by 2. So 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. Simple. Then look at this. Both denominator are same. Then 1 minus 1, that is 0. So you don't need to write. And 8 by 10 minus 1 by 10. What will it be? It will be 8 minus 1. That means 7. So final answer will be 7 by 10. Okay. This is one way. And I want to show you another way. 1 whole 4 by 5 minus 1 whole 1 by 10. So how can you solve it? Look, at first try to convert this as improper fraction. 5 1s are 5 plus 4, 9 minus 10 1s are 10 plus 1, 11. Then convert both denominator as same denominator. So how can we convert? No, we have to find out the same denominator by multiplying this fraction by 2. So we have to multiply this fraction by 2. So 9 2s are 18, 5 2s are 10. Simple. So 18 divided by 10 minus 11 by 10. Now both fraction are like fraction. Then subtract the numerator. 18 minus 11. 18 minus 11, that will be 7. 7 by 10. That will be the final answer. Very simple. Okay. Now number F, our last problem. Okay. Number F says 9 by 16 minus 1 by 4. So we have to convert this 4 into 16. How can we convert? By multiplying this fraction by 4. So 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Look, both denominator are same. That means these fractions are like fraction. So 16. We have to subtract the numerator. 9 minus 4. What is 9 minus 4? That will be 5. So 5 plus 16 will be the final answer of this problem. So in this way, we can easily solve this worksheet.